Acorn Property Group was formed in the early 1990s by people who wanted to build beautiful homes. Because there's nothing quite like the thrill of creating stunning buildings that will stand for 100 years or more. Here at Acorn, we don't do off the peg. We always build bespoke schemes. We love working with exciting architects, sometimes on existing buildings, often in unique and wonderful places, but always thinking about the local community and how people will really live in our homes. No matter how small the scheme, we pour the same creativity and attention to detail into each one. Throughout southern England and South Wales, our award-winning projects range from city centre apartments, beachfront homes, greenfield sites and conversions of historic buildings, to the mixed-use regeneration of factories and warehouses. Our high-quality finishes and use of space and light attract first-time buyers, families, investors, and second homeowners. As well as developing in our own right, we specialise in partnerships, many of which are with landowners, introducers, architects, private and public bodies, and funders. We always treat our partners as clients and seek to meet their needs, and our flexible approach makes us the perfect development partner. Over 50% of our developments are joint ventures. Development and regeneration is only a success if it works, and when we dream realistically, which is why we have such a variety of successful, completed, and profitable projects. So please contact us if you're selling land or looking for a development partner with imagination and a professional team to create something special. Acorn, different by design.